This is the iTOUCH X Pro, and today I'm going to demonstrate and show you how to connect the cables onto the iTOUCH silicone pads. So while looking at the unit, you'll notice there's a little button on top of the screen. You're going to keep it in for 1.5 seconds, then to switch on. It will be default to mode number 1 and default to A. So how to connect the unit? First thing you'll do is you'll choose your different mode or any particular mode that you want to use. You then have your cable and you place it into A. Once it's securely inside, you would then take the other side of the cable, which has a split connector. You then connect each of those cables onto one connector of the pad. You then see that they are both tightly secured. After that, you remove them from the protectors and then place them, for example, on your arms. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to press the plus button. It's going to start to contract and relax. And set your timer and then you lock it.